So what's the big deal about integration? Integration with your management system? Well, the big deal is it saves a lot of steps. And when you're using digital technology to run your shop, there's a lot of automation that's automatically going to take place because you're integrated. You realize that if you have a non-integrated solution, everything that you do for your inspections, your estimates and all that, you have to manually insert into your management system. So let's take a look and see what integration can do for you right here and right now. So why integration important? Well, because it means a lot less work and a lot of things are going to work automatically for you. For example, printing a loop sticker with advanced scheduling. When you have advanced scheduling turned on in loop sticker, what it does, it looks at the jobs that you've put in here and looks at the jobs on today's ticket, and when those jobs match, it automatically in your management system puts all the recommendations and actually sets the appointment dates for all these items. And it's as easy as clicking on print. Watch, click print, there's your little loop sticker, and you go back into your management system right here, open it up, and it has deposited all those recommendations based on everything that's on today's ticket that's in the advanced scheduling. That's integration for you. Another important feature of integration is when you're doing your digital inspections. Unlike paper inspections where everything has to be copied and put in your management system, here it automatically happens. So we're going to go over to the inspections. We're going to pop one open here, and we're going to go through it kind of quick, just like a technician's already doing it. So we started it. We need to do a safety inspection. Yep. There's all the information the customer's going to get, and notice it's already added the jobs to sub-estimate. Let's go to the rear wipers. They're in bad shape. Here we're going to hit replace it, hit OK, and notice again it's adding the sub-estimate 5 right back in the management system. And we just go through this and hit OK, and fill this out. And let us go from the integration, from putting the recommendations in automatically, to the revisions where, as we're doing the inspection, we were filling out revision number 5, and there it is, sub-estimate 5, and there it is. It tells you that it's coming from the inspection as the tech does it. There's your inspection, your wipers, front and rear. Integration is great. It saves a lot of work. Pretty snazzy, huh? Technicians are building estimates, and just by printing a sticker, you're setting up the future appointments for your vehicle along with the services that are required. So integration does have an advantage. Check it out.